Anjali, yesterday I go to the market, I buy some vegetables and I eat at dinner late.
Raj, stop. That entire sentence has three mistakes in it.
Wait, really? Which ones?
All three. Good, bide, eated. None of these are real words.
Wait, seriously? I say sentences like this all the time.
And honestly, so do thousands of people watching right now. So if you've ever said good or eated without realizing it, stay till the end. Because by the time this video is over, you will never make this mistake again. Welcome back, everyone. Lesson 26 Past Tense Made Easy. Raj just proved exactly why we need this lesson.
Okay, I never actually learned the correct versions properly. I just guessed based on patterns.
That's actually a really common trap, and today we're going to fix it completely, step by step.
Okay, so what did I say wrong exactly? Let's start there.
Good idea. So, first, English verbs are split into two types regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular ones just add ed. Irregular ones completely change form and you have to memorize them.
Okay, so which type did I mess up?
All three were irregular verbs, which is exactly why the dash ed rule didn't work. Go becomes went, not good. Buy becomes bought, not buyed. And eat becomes ate, not eated.
Oh wow, okay, that actually makes so much sense now. I was just applying the dash ed rule everywhere, even where it doesn't belong.
Exactly. And that's honestly a really smart mistake because it shows you understood the general pattern, just not the exceptions yet.
Okay, let's fix this properly then. Give me the correct examples again, slowly.
Sure, let's start with regular verbs since they're easier. Talk becomes talked. Play becomes played. Watch becomes watched.
Okay, that part I already do correctly at least.
Good. Now here's a quick question for everyone watching. Pause the video right now and try changing clean and help into past tense before I say the answer.
Okay, I'll answer for the viewers. Cleaned and helped.
Perfect. If you got those right, comment easy below. We want to see how many of you nailed it.
Okay, now let's get back to my disaster of a sentence. What about irregular verbs? Is there any pattern at all, or do I just have to memorize everything?
Mostly memorize, unfortunately. But let's make it fun. I'll say a present tense verb. You guess the past tense, live, right now.
Oh no, live testing. Okay, let's go.
Go,
Went,
see,
saw,
have,
had,
take.
took.
Raj, 4 for 4. And just 5 minutes ago you said good and eated.
See, I told you. I just needed the correct patterns explained once.
Okay, let's add one more important piece. Was and were. We use was for I, he, she, it, and were for you, we, they.
Let me try. I was tired yesterday. They were late to the meeting.
Perfect, both correct.
Okay, what about making these negative, like if something didn't happen?
Great question. For regular past tense sentences, we use didn't plus the simple verb, not the past form. So it's I didn't go, not I didn't went.
Oh, that's actually a mistake I make sometimes too, adding went after didn't.
Very common mistake. So good catch. And for was and were, we just add not. I wasn't busy or they weren't home.
Got it. And questions? How do those work?
For regular past tense, start with did. Did you go to the market? For was and were, just move them to the front. Was she happy or were they late?
Okay, I think I actually understand this whole topic now, properly, for maybe the first time ever.
Let's prove it then. One final challenge. Raj, redo your original sentence from the start of this video, correctly this time.
Okay, yesterday I went to the market. I bought some vegetables and I ate dinner late.
Perfect, Raj. Completely correct. Zero mistakes.
That feels so satisfying, honestly, especially after how badly I started this video.
And that's exactly the transformation we want for everyone watching too. So friends, here's your homework. Comment your own version of yesterday I blank, and I blank using correct past tense, just like Raj just did.
We'll actually reply to some of your comments and correct them if needed. So don't be shy.
If this lesson helped you avoid the exact mistake Raj made at the start, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who still says good or eat it.
Hey! Okay, fair. I deserve that.
See you all in the next lesson.
Bye everyone. And don't worry, I promise I won't say good ever again. Probably.
Bye, everyone.